welcome to today's AT product feature. Today we're featuring our latest innovation, which is the extension ladder quick latch system. This can be retrofitted to any roof rack system that has the extension ladder sliding rails, and it is a fantastic, quick and easy solution to latch your ladder safely and efficiently. Now when it's out in this position, if you've unloaded or just loaded, if you're in your vehicle and haven't latched it, you can see very easily by looking in your side mirror that your latch is not secured. This will reflect at night with the red reflection tape. Now to lock your ladder into position, simply line up the rungs and slip it over, and it latches with our slam lock very, very efficiently. This has the possibility of being key locked as well. So from the rear, the quick latch system is in its lock position. Your ladder is not going anywhere. To simply release, pull the little handle on the slam latch and raise the system over, and you can easily pull your ladder. It is so simple and efficient and very secure, extremely safe. Increase the safety of your guys on site and your ladders. They're worth a lot of money, and you will certainly save some coin here, not only increasing your safety. Look forward to helping you soon. Feel free to give us a call or check out our website.